If you're struggling to gain followers on TikTok without results, you're not alone. But don't worry, I found a site that lets you easily grow your followers just by completing surveys or entering contests. All you have to do is enter your email address and TikTok account name. It's best to copy them directly from here to avoid any errors. Then, select your country and the type of device you're using and proceed with ease. After that, all you have to do is answer a few questions or participate in contests, and you'll start seeing your followers grow rapidly. For example, let's choose this offer. As you can see, it only asks for very basic and ordinary information. It's very easy and simple, and it only takes a few minutes to complete all the tasks. After completing everything they ask of you well, you can return to the tasks page and complete the rest of the tasks simply and easily. I tried this site in front of you. It really works, and this is the number of followers before and after using it. It only took me a few minutes. Why waste your time? You'll find a link to the site in the first comment or in the description. Try it now and quickly increase your followers. Don't forget to stay tuned and share your experience in the comments. Thanks for watching.